Hi, I'm Pop!
I'm Map!
And you are back to our channel where I have my best friend who's a non-P-pop, non-Beanie fan react to Beanie videos. Hello!
Yay! Beanie!
So, we just recorded another reaction video. That's for Blink Twice. So, I told Maple in that video ayan, na yun yung most recent single nila. So, ang sabi ko sa kanya, yung next video na reactan namin is yung single before that.
Which is
Cherry on Top. So, for this video, we're gonna be reacting to the official music video and the dance practice.
Saan nila to sinut?
Secret. Char.
Saan yan?
Dito lang sa Philippines. I forget, meron silang nirelease na behind the scenes. So guys, i-check out niyo yung mga videos ng Beanie sa official Beanie YouTube YouTube channel. Kasi ang dami nilang mga behind the scenes. Pati yung pag-create nitong MV na to. Nakakatuwa sila. And guys, di ba, as far as Blooms are concerned, we're not just fans of Beanie because of their songs, but also because we like them as people, as individuals, kanya kasi, yun. Anyway, so maganda yung mga nasa videos sa YouTube channel nila kasi nga makikilala mo sila lalo. Okay? Anyway, are you ready?
Yes, let's start! Ano daw? Cherry Town.
Woo!
My presence is a present.
Hey!
Talking French, I keep you guessing. No, you got a little candy crush. Be careful 'cause you never get enough. Every day, celebrate you with me. Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah.
Okay, pause. Initial reaction. Grabe, si Stacy na naman ang can opener. At ang baba na naman, my presence is a present. True, hashtag.
Ang ganda ng lyrics.
Hash-
Sinong songwriter?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Ganda. Ang
Pero
ganda ng
pero
lyrics.
tumulong sila magsulat nito, I
Magsulat
think. Nagsulat ng mga harmony
My
si Colette tsaka
presence
si
is a present.
Maloy. So, okay, unang-una, nung first time ko napanood to, share ko lang yung experience ko. Sige, ikaw muna. Kasi ikaw yung first time mo to eh.
Gusto ko ulit yung pastel colors.
Yung cinematography, ganyan. Na bright.
And parang gusto ko malaman kung saan may ganyan sa Pilipinas.
Meron. Nandun sa behind the scenes nilagay nila kung saan yung location.
Yes, parang ang linis-linis. No?
Siguro inayos naman nila yan.
Pero ang ganda.
May stage design naman sila.
Tapos may ano pa, may pa-scramble. Ay, may halo-halo.
So far, okay yung music. Very light.
Parang
Parang ngiti ka lang. Ganun. Oo. Okay, game.
jig.
If you want it sweet, sugar on lock. If you want it spice, can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you.
Si Colette, ganun, mahilig siya sa mga ano.
Parang
head
yun yung, hindi, ewan ko kung siya personally. Kasi lahat naman sila mahilig mag-cap, mag-hats. Like, in their personal time, kapag papunta somewhere. Pero I mean, I think sa...
Their personal time, nagka-cap sila.
Oh, hindi. I mean, yung personal styling
Normal,
nila.
ano
Oo,
nila.
normal clothes nila, casual clothes. Wala, mahilig sila mag-cap.
Kasi
Pero-
kanina may suot din siyang parang,
Oo,
ano ba yung bandana?
even sa salamin. I
or,
mean, I think most of their MVs, yun talaga yung parang...
signature niya, parang
Oh,
ganun.
parang ganon. Sila nila Gwen.
Okay.
I'm the cherry on top, cherry
Grabe si Maloy!
cherry, cherry, I'm so berry, rainbow cotton candy. Glitzy glamour, dripping drama, oh, I'm just so fancy. You can deny, no, you can deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top.
Okay, wait. Gusto kong malaman nyo na yung kilig ko nung, I mean, same din, sobrang kilig ko rin nung Blink Twice. Okay, lahat ng videos nila kinikilig ako, aminin na natin. Pero sobrang ganda nila. Nakita mo,
In
okay.
person.
Ay, even dito sa MV.
Oo, yeah.
Girl, so kanina, hindi ko na-post. Kasi nga, ayaw ko naman mag-post ng sobrang dami. Pero, sobrang ganda ni Aya kanina. Nakita mo ba yung
Oo.
butterfly niyang top? Ikaw nang nagdidilig sa sunflower na ganun kaganda, girl.
Set for sorry eyes, one look and you're paralyzed. Dancing in the disco lights, I could do this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, I twirl, not your average girl. Got you clutching them pearls, 'cause you know who run the world.
Girls!
Every day,
Ayan yung ganda niya.
celebrate you and me. Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah.
Okay. nakita mo ba kung gaano kalalim boses ni Mika Lim?
Mm.
Grabe, alam, guys, yung boses ni Mika Lim. Minsan di ako makatulog. Sobra. Okay, unang-una, ang ganda nilang lahat talaga. Anyway.
Sobra.
If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, in the cake, better know what you got. And the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a freak, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, in the cake, better know what you got. And the cherry on top, cherry on top. CHERRY, good ingredients are hard to find.
So,
Gusto ko yung may pa-banana cute tsaka soft drink sa plastic.
Siyempre, Pinoy.
Okay, ang cute.
so, natatanda mo ba yung karera? Nagkaroon sila ng sign language for ano?
For?
Yung karera, that life is not a race. Diba yung sa dance step nila, ganyan. So, ganun din dito.
May sign language yun?
Girl, pinag-usapan natin nung nag-react tayo noon.
May sign language?
Oo, mabilis lang. Parang, basta yung part ng dance na may ganyan-ganyan.
Hindi ako yung kausap mo nun.
Ikaw. Hanapin nga natin sa reaction video na yun. Anyway, so,
Tapos dito ginawa din nila.
yung CH nag-spell, di ba?
C-H-E-R-R.
H-E-R-R-Y, ganyan.
Ah.
Kasi nga, so,
Eh,
kasi Beanie is, advocating for inclusivity rin.
tama
So, di ba?
Galing.
Ang galing. So, ano ba yung sasabihin ko? So, trivia lang, guys. I don't know, kung hindi nyo pa alam, so ngayon, when they perform Cherry on Top, ang ginagawa ni Mika na rap is yung Tagalog version. So, sinulatan nila ng Tagalog. Makita mo sa iyong mata, ganyan. Basta gumagano siya.
Galing,
Hindi ko memorize.
Hindi
Pero,
nila nirelease?
hindi nila nirelease yung version na yun sa Spotify. Ang nasa Spotify itong full English.
Ah.
Pero pag nagpo-perform sila ng live, yung Tagalog na yung kinakanta niyang rap.
Galing.
CHERRY, there's no going back now once you try. If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up.
Okay, sorry, pausing too much.
Nagpakita na naman sila ng kanilang dancing skills.
Yes, okay,
No?
hintay mo mamaya sa dance practice. Yung, di ba narinig mo yung, nagsa-second voice. Yun ang sinulat nila Maloy, tsaka nila Colette, I think, na part, nung harmony. Oo. Sila yung nag-isip.
Okay, gets.
Baby, in the cake, better know what you got.
Ang ganda ni Mika!
Cherry on top, honey, you're a freak, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, in the cake, better know
Oh my God,
what
nakita
you
mo yung mukha ni Stacy doon! I love you, Maloy.
CHERRY, good ingredients are hard to find.
Good ingredients are hard to find.
Okay, game thoughts.
Wow. Wala, ang ganda.
Alam mo,
Gusto ko yung beat. Naririnig ko ba yung beat? Yung sa wala yung tug.
Oo.
Ang mabilis na, tapos sinasabayan nila ng mga
i-explain mo kung bakit mo napapansin yung beat. Kasi si Mapol, nag-music, nag-instrument siya.
Basta medyo mahilig ako sa mga ganung beats. And very catchy. Yung nawawala siya for a time. Parang sa isang, ano bang tawag dun sa ganun? Sa music sheet.
Bar.
Sa isang bar, parang mawawala siya. Tapos dun sa fourth bar, parang ang dami niyang tug. Parang ganun.
Okay, sabi ko i-explain niya sa inyo, pero hindi niya in-explain. Nagda-drums kasi si Mapol.
Kaya
Kaya naano niya yung
galing,
rhythm,
nakakatuwa. And very easy on the eyes talaga sa mga music video yung pastel colors nila.
ang bright, para nakakasarap sa feeling, ang gaan.
Kaya pala lagi mo pinapanood.
Oo, ang daming best ko na nito. Nag-stream din ako nito, guys. Okay. So, ilang million views niyan, ilang million din yung akin.
Gusto ko yung lyrics. Ang ganda nung ano.
I'm the cherry on top. Diba?
Hindi, kahit yung start pa lang, my presence is a present.
Yes. Sa buhay niyong lahat. Charot.
Ganda.
Okay. Guys, alam mo, okay, ang realization ko. So, di ba, their songs and MVs before this, magaling na talaga. I mean, there's a reason why they got so popular. Di ba? Yung mga Pantropico, Salamin, Carrera, Strings. Kahit the older ones, they're good, right? In their own right. Pero meron kayong mga top favorite and all that. Nung lumabas tong Cherry on Top, ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, oh my God, I'm standing the right group. Alam mo yun? And yung goal nila to reach international levels, yung sabi ko, oh my God, kaya na. Alam mo, kaya.
Diba?
Ito na. Hindi yun na. So, parang nung lumabas to, kaya na nila makipagsabayan. Alam mo yun, and nakaka-proud siya as a fan, as a Filipino, na kaya nating maglabas ng level na kayang lumaban sa ibang bansa. Kasi not for anything, but alam mo yun, maliit lang ang Pilipinas. We're a small country compared to other countries. we're a poorer country. I mean, that's the reality, right? Third world
Or
country.
smaller, but in terms of population, we're way bigger.
I mean, right? So parang, kumbaga, the other players in this industry, ang lalaki ng
Yung
resources
top
nila.
industry,
Oo, ganyan. Pero kaya nating lumaban. May
Yeah.
ibubuga ang Pilipino. Ganon yung na-feel ko. So sabi ko, oh my God, taking this to the next level.
Kumbaga dati, may mga panglaban naman. Pero this time, alam mo, confident ka.
Oh,
na
parang
dun
aabot
sa-
tayong championship.
parang-
Ganon.
Kumbaga sa World Cup, nandun na tayo sa
Oo,
championship.
para magiging top 1 ka na.
O,
Ganon.
ito na. Let's go, Blooms!
A. A ka muna, A.
A.
Okay, so the next video we're gonna react to is the dance practice. So, itong version na to, and alam mo, some people like it, some people don't. It's a moving version. So, if you...
Moving, meaning...
Yung camera gumagalaw.
Okay.
So, di ba yung mga
Parang
nireactan natin
360?
before? Oo.
Ah.
Well, hindi 360, hindi siya pupunta sa likod.
Okay.
Pero, I mean, yung iba kasi steady lang.
Okay.
So, some people like it yung steady lang
Ah.
kasi kita mo yung buong picture. Ito kasi magpo-focus. Alam mo yun,
May,
iaano niya
may
yung angle.
person
Oo,
na,
oo.
okay.
Oh, so kung sino mo yung nag-comment dati, napangunahan ko na naman siya. Sorry. Okay, are you ready?
G,
Okay,
ready.
game. Unang-una, ang ganda ng damit nilang lahat. Ang hot nila tignan, bud.
My presence is a present.
Yes, Stacey, it is.
I keep you guessing.
Eh.
Know you got a little candy.
May palo ba sa puwet?
Oo.
Okay.
Alam mo, guys, okay, if you're not a super Bloom fan and you haven't watched yung mga dance practice videos nila, kahit yung mga luma, sobra silang detailed. Excuse me. Yung maliit na ganyan, gaganyan yung daliri, gaganyan. Pansinin nyo lahat, ganun sila.
Yung belt niya, necktie.
Necktie. Tapos si
Alam.
Stacey kita yung boxer shorts.
Nga.
Sobrang hot nilang lahat. Guys, ako lang ba? O nahihirapan din kayo matulog minsan dahil ang ganda nilang lahat?
Be careful 'cause you never get enough. Every day, celebrate you with me. Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. Yeah. If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, but I know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as it can be. Baby, I'm the king, but I know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry, cherry,
Eh.
cotton candy.
Oh, attitude. Oh, oh. Laban.
You can deny, no, you can deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top.
Set for sorry eyes, one look and you're paralyzed. Dancing in the disco lights, I could do this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, I twirl, not your average girl. Got you clutching them pearls, 'cause you know who run the world.
Every day, celebrate you with me.
Grabe, ang galing nun!
Every day,
Ayan.
it's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. Yeah. If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock.
Ang bouncy nung ganun-ganun. Parang gusto ko rin matutunan.
Alam mo, iniisip ko nga, kasi ang gaganda ng mga corny, tapos sabay-sabay.
Oo.
Alam mo, grabe, gano'ng kahirap yan sa concert.
And gano'ng katagal nila
Pinapractice,
inaaral,
oo.
pinapractice para maging sabay-sabay. At saka ang payat ng bewang niya, can I just say?
Yung angle lang yun, pero payat naman sila lahat. I mean,
Si Mika,
oh my God,
ang payat ng bewang
sobrang
niya dyan.
batak nila lahat ngayon.
Talaga.
Siguro dahil sa sobrang training, alam mo dun sa concert, guys, kung di nyo pa napapanood yung mga clips sa TikTok or whatever, may kita nyo. Lahat sila, yung mga biceps nila, yung talagang markadong may ganun. Sabi ko, oh my God, maawa naman kayo sis.
Kakatuwa.
If you want the spice, can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, but I know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a bee, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky,
Galing na nakita mo, umikot pero sabay pa din.
baby, I'm the king, but I know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. CHERRY, the ingredients are hard to find. CHERRY, there's no going back, no, once you try. If you want it sweet, got the sugar on lock. If you want it spice, can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, but I know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry
Grabe. Ang galing.
Alam mo, no joke. Kaya minsan naubos talaga araw ko when I have a free day.
Oh my
Naubos
God.
araw ko manood lang ng mga videos nila. Like from reaction videos to actual MVs, dance practices, kasi ang galing talaga nila.
And alam mo, kailangan mo siyang panoorin pa ulit-ulit. Kasi like kanina, no, parang nakafocus ako dun sa 4 na sumasayaw. Tapos may 4 na nandun sa, dalawa sa harap, dalawa sa gilid. Ang pinapanood ko is yung 4 sa gitna. Pero yung 4 sa gilid, sabay-sabay pa rin sila. Pero iba yung steps. Alam mo yun? So parang feeling ko, hindi mo siya mapapanood at ma-appreciate
Ng isang beses
lahat
lang.
ng isang beses lang. Kaya ka pala napupuya.
Hindi, tsaka alam mo, and that's like a testament, right? On how good they are as a group.
And how committed they are to actually, alam mo yon, learn everything ng sabay-sabay.
Oo,
And kaya
na same level. Kasi
andyan
mali
sila
mo
kung
may
nasan
bida-bida,
sila.
hindi.
Oo.
Alam mo, nakaangat yun.
Oo.
Pero yan,
Oo,
same
totoo.
level sila. So, ang ganda tignan.
And parang makikita mo, kunyari, ako yung line ko yung kakanta. So, ako yung may steps, diba? So, yung iba, kahit parehas niya yung step nung kumakanta, hindi siya yung todo bigay. Gets mo? Kasi parang siya, tapos
Oo.
mamaya ako, tapos ikaw. Alam mo,
Basta, yun nga yung sinasabi nila. And I feel, and I agree with it fully, na yung chemistry nila as a group, sobrang grabe. And feeling ko sobrang hirap nung kasi 8 sila eh. Kunwari yung chemistry yung dalawa, medyo kahit papano, 2 lang kayo.
alam mo
eh.
yung, kunyari may dance practice, 4 kayo. Pag nagkamali yung isa, uulit kayo. Ito 8.
Ah. So, imagine yung hard work nila, guys.
Oo.
Sobra.
Grabe, galing,
Kaya
galing.
sabi ko nga, they deserve all the parang success
All
and
the
blessings that they're getting now. Kasi totoo naman, and they've said this multiple times, na pinaghirapan naman talaga nila. And makikita mo sa resulta. Alam mo yun, ilang practice yan. Siguro
Nakakatuwa.
1000 beses nila pinagsasayaw to, no?
Mm.
Kaya nung sinabi, okay, mag-shoot tayo dito, okay, go na.
Oo.
Memorize mo na.
Memorize
Kasi
mo na.
1,000 times mo na.
Galing.
Bloom ka na ba?
Plus yung placement, yun yung mahirap. Iba yung feeling dancer, pero iba yung ituturo sa'yo nang nakalinya lang kayo.
Oo.
Tapos yung kung saan
May
ka
blocking
pupunta,
pa.
nang
Oo.
ganun yung steps mo, pero ang layo nung pupuntahan mo susunod, kailangan mong bilisan. Alam mo yun?
Nung nanonood nga ako ng reaction ng mga
Galing.
parang dancers sa
Oo.
mga choreo nila, ang tawag kasi nila, guys, hindi ako professional ha. Anyway, ang tawag nila, yung picture na kine-create. Di ba kunwari, ang ganyan, ang ganda niyang tignan
Oo.
picture. Tapos di ba kanina, yung naka-cherry on top, tapos may canon,
Oo.
yung ang ganda ng picture,
Oo.
parang ganon. Yung visual, ano niya, representation niya.
Well,
ganyan.
yes. Kumbaga, giving credit to the choreographer or
Mm.
choreographers. But yung execution,
Yung
di ba?
execution.
Execution-wise, ang galing nila as a group. Considering
Sasamahan mo na ba
sila.
ako sa LA? Manood na tayo?
Paano mangyayari? Di hindi na tayo magbibini reaction video. Mapapanood ko na sila.
Sa concert naman yun, magre-react ka pa rin sa kung ano-ano. Marami silang mga video sa TikTok na ipapanood ko sa mga thirst trap.
Ang galing. So, cherry on top. Wow.
So, this is the single before Blink Twice. Ito yung ito yung...
Same album? Same album
Hindi.
to? Iba?
Parang ano lang to, as in single lang talaga,
Okay.
I think. So, etong Cherry on Top, nirelease nila yan bago sila yung Canada tour.
Nagka-tour na sila.
Last year.
In fairness!
Tap-
Nang hindi pa full English yung mga songs? Or
Meron talaga silang full English even before na
Ah.
albums. Pero, ayun nga, nag-Canada tour sila last.
Wow.
Tapos, di ba sinabi ko sa'yo, nag-perform sila sa K-Con? Alam mo ba kung ano yung K-Con?
Hindi.
Parang
Korean
convention.
convention.
Oo, ng
Ah.
mga Korean
K-pop.
K-pop.
Okay.
Tapos
K-pop
sila,
convention.
although sila doon opener. Parang pre-show pala tawag.
Okay. So, konti
pero-
lang yung lines, yung
Isang
minutes.
Cherry on Top lang pinerform nila.
Okay.
Pero, as in yung stadium niya, yung malaking stadium. Tapos, sila yung first Filipino group na mag-perform sa K-Con. I mean, regardless if it was main
K-con na
show.
lang? Ilang K-con na ba?
Hindi ko alam, pero madami na. Kasi even nung 2016, may K-Con na yata eh.
Wow, good job!
Parang pinapanood ko pa si Ailey dati sa K-Con.
Sino si Ailey?
Ibang
Okay.
story na yun. Pero anyway,
Alright. Yes!
Congrats, Beanie. You the best.
Galing,
Charot.
galing.
okay guys, if you like this reaction video, please,
Blink twice.
please like the video, send us your comments.
Yay!
Kung may mga request kayo na videos. And also,
Cherry on
please,
top,
if you haven't done
cherry
so,
on
subscribe to our
top.
channel. Ayun lang. Thank you guys. Ingat kayo. Bye!
Bye!